Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Bose solo soundbar. Bose solo soundbar Series 2. This is nice soundbar with Dolby audio, clear sound made easy. The Bose solo soundbar is easy to use Bluetooth TV speaker that give you clear sound from the TV, improved dialogue, simply set up, compact size, play music via Bluetooth. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. I hope this will help you to make informed choice about this soundbar. Nice. This is the information pack here. Look at that. Beautiful. Optical cable included in the packaging. This is the power cables. So this is the power cable. So two power cables depending on one you want to use. This one is 3-pin and this is 2-pin. This is the wall mount. This is the screw here, screws, remote control. Nice, very small but nice and beautiful soundbar. You can see what it looks like. Beautiful Bose. And with this soundbar you can hook it up using optical cable, which is included in the packaging. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to here is 55 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter width, 8 centimeter width. So to set this up, this is easy to set up. Just need to plug the power cable. Okay, and this goes to this. This goes in here, push it inside. Now this goes in here. Put the cable in. Okay. Now plug it to the socket. The remote control. Okay, from this remote control, what you need to do is So switch this on and off. You can see the light here, or green light showing here. Then press, you can see the Bluetooth. So once you press Bluetooth, you see a Bluetooth light. So now we're going to look for Bluetooth device. So I'm going to test this using my mobile phone. Okay. So to test this up, you need to go to the mobile phone, then go to Bluetooth connections, switch the Bluetooth on, then select Bluetooth and look for available Bluetooth device. So this is Bose. Okay, so we're looking for Bose here. Here we got Bose Solo. Select on it, pairing, Bluetooth pair request, click pair, and it's connected. Okay, once it's connected, you will see a white line to show you that the soundbar is connected. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. So go to Epidemic Sound, open it up, select Epidemic Sound. Nice soundbar. Thank you very much. Testing the audio. This is incredible, very beautiful, and with a clear voice, nice dialogue. to your TV, and you can see from here to this end is 55 centimeter and 8 centimeter width. This soundbar deserves your attention. We are testing the audio. This soundbar can connect it to your TV or mobile device via Bluetooth. So we are testing the audio. This soundbar, you can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. You can connect it to your TV via Bluetooth and optical cable. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Testing the audio. This is beautiful stuff. Thank you very much indeed, guys. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Bose Series 2 Soundbar. This is nice soundbar, very powerful, very beautiful. This soundbar can connect it to your TV using optical cable and Bluetooth. It's currently connected to this TV using optical cable. What I'm going to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to TV via Bluetooth. Okay, and this is the audio. Okay, this is the audio. To connect it to TV via Bluetooth, what we need to do, we need to switch TV off and unplug. Remove the optical cable. Now, okay, so what we need to do is we need to switch the TV, switch the soundbar on, okay, and select Bluetooth. So when you select Bluetooth, it will start to look for available Bluetooth device. Okay, when you select Bluetooth, okay, the Bluetooth light will be showing you blue color, looking for available Bluetooth device. Okay, so we need to switch the TV on. Now go to your TV settings. So go to TV settings. Now when you select TV setting, then you need to go scroll down to the sound. Scroll down to the sound. Okay, when you look on the sound here, the sound is showing us optical device, but we need to select on it. Okay, go to Bluetooth, look for available. This is Bluetooth. Okay, scroll down to select Bluetooth device, select Bluetooth, and once you select Bluetooth, it will start to look for available Bluetooth device. So now, okay, so it's looking for available Bluetooth device, so we need to scroll down. Okay, and they can see it's showing us, so we need to look for so what you need to do is you need to check up and down and look for the Bluetooth device. You can see, scroll down to, we're looking for Bose. Bose Solo Soundbar. Okay, so scroll down to Bose Solo. Okay, this is Bose Solo. Select on it. Now it's connected. Okay, it's connecting. Here we go. Bose Solo is connected, and this is the audio. So this is the audio. I don't want to leave this in one place. This is the audio.
In our August draws, one lucky postcode area will win a share of £3.2 million.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. We had a plan.
You can also add it bars.
That was the next week plan. For a chance to win this amazing prize and more, play before midnight on the 20th of July.
At NFU
This is the audio.
our quality car insurance can be relied on. You can claim with confidence as we pay out on
Beautiful.
99% of claims with no.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank
You
you.
don't lose your no claim.